Hey, what's up everybody? It's your tech guy, MKBHD. Let's talk about tri-folding phones. These things are wild. Imagine unfolding your phone twice to reveal a screen almost the size of a tablet. That's the future some companies are painting, and it's pretty exciting. We've come a long way from those clunky phones. Now we're talking about devices that can transform right before our eyes. With tri-folding technology, imagine the possibilities. You could watch a movie, multitask, even use it as a mini workstation. Of course, there are concerns about durability, software optimization, and price, but the potential here is undeniable. Let's dive in and explore tri-folding phones. Remember the good old days of brick phones? Yeah, me neither. We've come a long way since then. We went from tiny screens to flip phones to touch screens and now, foldable phones. Each step brought us closer to a truly mobile experience. But tri-folding phones? They feel different. They're not just about making something smaller or thinner, it's about expanding what a phone can be. Think about it. Foldable phones gave us a taste of that larger screen experience. But tri-folding phones? They're taking it to a whole new level. Imagine having a phone, a tablet, and even a small laptop all in your pocket. That's the promise of this technology. Of course, with any new technology, there are always bumps in the road. Remember when foldable phones first came out? There were concerns about durability, screen creases, and software optimization. And you know what? Some of those concerns were valid. But over time, things got better. Manufacturers learned, technology advanced, and now foldables are becoming more and more mainstream. Let's talk possibilities, people. Imagine unfolding your tri-folding phone to watch your favorite show on a spacious screen. Or maybe you're working on a presentation, and you need to multitask across different apps. With 3 screens, you can have it all. This isn't just a phone, it's a productivity powerhouse. Think about the possibilities for creatives too. Photographers can edit photos and videos on a much larger scale. Artists can sketch and draw with more precision. And content creators? Forget about carrying around multiple devices. A tri-folding phone could be their all-in-one studio, but it's not just about work and play. Think about accessibility. For users with visual impairments, a larger screen can make a world of difference. And for those who rely on their phones for communication, the multiple screen layouts could offer new and innovative ways to connect. The potential here is huge. We're just scratching the surface of what tri-folding phones can do. And as developers start building apps specifically for this technology, things are only going to get more exciting. Section 4. Tri-folding power for everyone, travelers, professionals, and beyond. Now let's talk about who can benefit from this technology. And honestly, I think it's pretty much everyone. Imagine you're a frequent traveler. Instead of carrying a phone, a tablet, and maybe even a laptop, you've got it all in one device. That's less weight, less hassle, and more convenience. For professionals, tri-folding phones could be a game changer. Think about presentations, on-the-go editing, or even just having a larger screen for video calls. It's like having a mobile office in your pocket. And for students, forget about lugging around heavy textbooks and laptops. A tri-folding phone could be their digital notebook, their research tool, and their entertainment hub, all in one. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Section 5. Durability dilemmas, the price of flexibility. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, durability. With 2 hinges instead of 1, there are naturally more points of potential failure. And let's be real, foldable phones haven't exactly had the best track record when it comes to durability. Scratches, dust resistance, water resistance, these are all valid concerns. And then there's the screen. With a larger surface area, there's more to break. And let's not even talk about the potential cost of screen replacements. Those could be eye-watering, but here's the thing. Every new technology goes through growing pains. Remember the first smartphones? They were fragile, expensive, and the battery life was abysmal. But look at them now. Manufacturers are learning from their mistakes, and they're constantly innovating to make devices more robust. We're already seeing advancements in hinge design, screen technology, and protective coatings. So, while durability is a valid concern, I'm optimistic that we'll see significant improvements in the near future. Section 6. To fold or not to fold, weighing the excitement and the weight. So, the big question, are tri-folding phones worth the hype? Honestly, it's too early to say for sure. The technology is still in its infancy, and there are definitely some kinks to work out. But the potential is undeniable. We're talking about a device that could revolutionize the way we interact with technology. If you're someone who loves being on the cutting edge, then yeah, Go for it, but be prepared for some early adopter pains. The price tag will likely be hefty, however, if you value reliability and affordability, it might be best to wait. Either way, tri-folding phones are a glimpse into the future of mobile technology, and that future is looking pretty exciting.